Let me show you how I propagate my blackberry bushes. It's actually a really simple process. First, you want to get one of the first year growths. This is the first year. The second year does not work because it will actually die that year. But the first year, you can tell if you look here, there is 5 leaves. If it is a second year, it will have 3 leaves. In any case, you want to find the nice green fresh tip here. You'll usually get this in spring or early summer. And you want to trim off the couple pieces here, like this little limb and probably this one right behind it. And then you need a little pot. I like to use these clear versions. That way you can actually see how much moisture and dirt is in there. And once it starts rooting, you can see that easy as well. Let me show you. I have a couple here that I just completed. Now, this right here is, again, you cut the little edges off, or the side shoots like this off of the end. Do not cut off the end of your plant, just the side shoots like this. And then you want to fill your soil up, making sure that there is a depression right in the middle so you can insert that little piece right into there. And then you pack more dirt all the way around this. I got another one right there I just did. Once you pack all that dirt around it, you want to very slowly drip water into this so that it all the way completely starts filling up with water. And you'll notice the great thing about these clear cups, you'll slowly see it get darker and darker as it goes all the way to the bottom. Once it reaches the bottom, you want to make sure that it's dripping out of just about, it's hard to see, just about every little hole that's on the bottom down here. If it's only dripping out of one hole, keep adding water, just dripping it in. That process could take a minute or two because it's a real slow process. But make sure it's dripping out of all those holes, and that way you know your soil is fully moist. Then after about a week or two, you'll start to see roots right here some. This has several roots. You can see a few on the bottom there and some on this side. But if you look on this side, I don't see any roots on this side yet. So I am waiting on that process until I get some more roots. You can see it just about all the way around, so you know it is fully rooted in that soil. One word of caution though, when you are doing this process, make sure you have strapped that branch a little higher up so that once it starts rooting, your stem here will be straight up. I actually made a mistake on this one right here. You'll notice I did not extend that branch down before I rooted it, so I won't be able to get a nice straight branch once it starts growing. I'll probably have to cut it a little bit short and just hope that it will continue to grow up a little bit later. And you can do this process just about anywhere. This is actually a support off of my carport, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4 branches going into that so that we can propagate those as well. One other thing I want to mention is that this right here is a thornless blackberry that produces really large fruit, about 1.5 inches to 2 inches long, and you don't have to worry about all the thorns that normally you see along the stems here. And one more suggestion is to have 2 different types of blackberries. This is one and this is one. If you look, it's actually real tall. This one is a tall variety and this one kind of just sprouts out to the sides. So make sure you have a couple different variety of blackberries and they seem to do better. And just in case you're wondering, if by chance you don't see any roots along the side of here, in about 2, maybe 3 weeks at most, there's a good chance this didn't work. On occasion, this process won't work. I've had it fail on me before, but in the long run, it should work for you.